Ay, gagawa na lang ito.
Baka madapa! Nahulog.
Go!
Oh my God! Ayun o, dami. Oo, nga lang alutang. Tignan mo kasi.
Hi guys, good morning. So, I'm on my way to the beach kasi nag-drone kami kanina. It's around 5 something na, 5 a.m. in the morning. Almost 6 pala. So, nag-drone kami kanina ni tatay and I'm going back to the beach to have some signal kasi guys, dun lang may malakas na signal dito sa island. And I'm going to download sa phone niya yung mga videos. Kasi hindi ko na-download kanina because I went back to charge the drone ASAP. Kasi hanggang 6 na lang yung kuryente and lobat na yung drone namin. So, yeah. And gagamitin pa namin yun mamaya. So I am here, guys. Say hello. There's a lot of boat here. And this is the beach. So yeah. I'm just gonna download first. Bye guys.
Ayaw magsulat.
Hi! I'm so tan right now. Tignan nyo guys. I'm so tan! I'm so happy with my skin right now.
Asan yung natin?
Lang yan. Complementary lang yan naman. Kung hindi ka
Ayan sa lupa. Go!
Go. The family that works together stays together. Kuwang-kuwa sa video, nag-aaway kayo. Nice. Oh my god, look. So, I just woke up from a nap and I'll just find the CR. Pero tignan niyo yung nilalakad ako. This is the parking area, which is kanina. Ayan guys, look at the fog. Ta-da. Gabi.
Ito na lang busa natin ito.
Hi guys, so what the hell is that? So you'll see me in this hoodie the whole time. I'm drinking a hazelnut coffee because it's freaking cold right now. Look at the view, guys. Look at that clouds. And this is our area. They're busy for I don't know what. But I'm just here, chilling, drinking my hot coffee with this view. Tagal nila guys. Mauna na ako. Nandun pa sila. Ito guys.
Ba't hindi yung binili mo yan?
Kita dito. Guys, tignan niyo yung view namin. It's all fog. And this is my favorite flower. This is strawberries.
Hi! Naya ko!
Hi guys. Yes, we're here now. Wala na naman po tayo sa Maynila, guys. We're here in Baler, Beach. We are gonna walk kasi magla-lunch kami. Wala kami mga baong food, to be honest, kasi pati nang kasal sila tatay. That's why we're here. Tapos kami magpinsan, tapos mag-stay lang dito sa pinag-stay lang. Mag-beach lang kami, but I don't think so. Beach is allowed right now. Parang may naka-red warning ata. Malas ko, no? Hindi namin chinek yan kasi nakaplan talaga na magbabaler kami today because of the wedding. Sabi pa magsasurf ako today. Sana makapag-surf, guys, because I really wanna go experience it again. My God. Life is so good, guys. Like, I swear. Alam nyo, just wait. Just be patient and trust God. Kung hindi nyo planan doon, may mas better na ibibigay sa inyo. I swear.
Bek, kalamansi.
Ito dito.
So guys, we just finished our lunch. Grabe, that was so good.
Sinturo mo, i-check mo na.
Okay guys, I'm going upstairs to our room. Paalis na sila nanay. So, papunta na sila ng wedding. Walang tao guys. Solo ko yung beach. So, dun sa may dulong part, may tao. Pero dito sa part kung saan kami, wala. So, it's really a good time to take a picture. Really. Ang pangit lang guys, sobrang lakas ng alon. Nagpipicture kasi kami doon. And the waves, sobrang lakas ng waves. Sumalpak talaga siya sa akin. Sobrang lamig.
Bigla pa ako doon, oh. Bigla may pagkat.
Sa akin nga, asid sa mukha ko sumalpak yung wave. Sobrang lakas. Nandito kami guys. Here. Diyan ako nakapesto. And look at those waves. Sobrang mahina pa yan ngayon. Pero sobrang lakas yan as in. Basta dito, mulik nakatayo ako here. Doon sumalpak sa akin guys. Grabe yung sunset. Ah, it's so good. Look. So ganda! Oh my God! So ganda! And ayun na yung sunset. Dito kasi is sunrise. Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ko dito guys. Guys, sobrang sarap! I love my life. Thank God for this. Thanks to my parents who made this possible. To my parents. I love you so much. Sila na sobrang I am enjoying my life here.
Umusok pa siya.
Okay guys, look. Ang ganda dito guys, tignan niyo. Guys,
hindi nagkainom.
I got passion fruit.
Drink sila.
Okay. So, back in Sagada.
Ano po yung susay? Susay. Tapos kung gusto mong mag-rest, sabihin mo lang sa belayer mo, mag-rest ka din, tension na yun. Just let go sa bato then, yun na, mag-relax ka na lang. Yes. Sa left hand. Ingatok mo. Yes po. Ingatok mo tawag na. Sige, sige. Okay, may grip dito sa right hand po. Right hand. Abutin mo. Yes. Tapos, right foot mo dito. Diba? Ayan. Then adjust mo yung left foot mo dito, ma'am.
Bati mo yung sarili mo.
Left hand dyan, ma'am. Yun.
Dito yung
Tama, yan.
pagtayo mo, yung right na kamay dito.
Paano yun?
Tayo ka sa right foot.
Yung left foot mo nakahang lang.
Sige lang.
Kuya, dumudulas ako kasi.
Pero ilagay mo yung weight sa right foot.
1, 2, 3, go.
Sabay tayo.
Aray ko.
Hi guys. Hingal. Look.
Kita. Grabe naman yung shadow.
Hingal
Pero
ako.
maganda naman.
Nice. Go. Say hi. Kaya pa ba?
Ano siya, no?
Bako nalisahan.
Yung sobrang mapula ba ito matamis?
Oh, it's here na.
Okay ba kayo sa cinnamon on top?
Go ahead po.
Guys, lumalamig na. Dito tayo. We just ate sweet man and iced chocolate here in the cafe. Ito yung gusto ko puntahan. It's very good. Nakakapagod to. Just went to the bathroom. So, whew, let's go. Dami na nagandaan ng day for not to get suffer.
Baka sabihin. Sarap ba, Trinity?
Feeling ko hindi kita. Uy, tik pa. Tik pa. Sige. Tawang-tawa lang.
Madalas ah.
Guys, yung dadaanan namin. Oh, sino mauna? Ako na.
Sabay.
Sabay.
Sabay tayong dadaan.
Right.
Di ba meron pa dito?
Yes. Yun yung ano, papasok na sa maliit na buto.
Ay.
Kailangan mo ilaw?
It's so good to witness how other cultures celebrate New Year's. So thank you Sagada for making our New Year celebration so memorable and so special.